everybody, welcome to yet another episode of Learning Perspectives. Today, we are going to deconstruct a scene from a movie called Love Per Square Feet. And the concept that we are going to discuss is about home loans.
अपसेट हो?
नहीं हाँ वो ये मैंने होम लोन के लिए अप्लाई किया था, वो किसी ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया।
रिजेक्ट करते हो?
हाँ,
हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल? एम्प्लॉयज को तो
रेफरेंस मिलती है। एग्जैक्टली।
संजय चतुर्वेदी।
संजय चतुर्वेदी। मैं पता है वही सोच रहा था, इसी बैंक में काम करता हूँ, तो प्रेफरेंस मिलनी चाहिए थी, लोन तो ऐसे हो जाना चाहिए था ना, पर फिर रिजेक्ट हो गया, तो मैं सोचा गलती से हो गया होगा। मैं सोचा आके चेक कर लेता हूँ। तो बात करने की तमीज ही नहीं है यार, अपने ऑफिस में हायरार्की समझ ही नहीं आती किसी को।
ये लोन ये मैंने रिजेक्ट किया है। सॉरी।
नहीं पर क्यों?
देखो 50,000 तुम्हारी सैलरी है, मैक्स 45 इन हैंड आता होगा।
46।
तुम्हें 50 लाख का लोन कैसे मिल सकता है?
क्यों नहीं मिल सकता? पर मतलब मैं किस्तें भरूंगा ना सारी।
कैसे भरोगे? 40,000 तो तुम्हारे इंस्टॉलमेंट भरने में चले जाएंगे। 6,000 में तुम घर कैसे चलाओगे?
मैं करूंगा ना। आप उसकी चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो? मैं घर पे भूखा सोऊंगा, हवा खाऊंगा, पानी पीऊंगा, मैं करूंगा ना।
संजय, डोंट गेट अपसेट।
आप एक बार ये चेक तो करो ना। ये देखो मेरे आईटी रिटर्न सब बराबर है, ये इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी फॉर्म है, ये बैंक स्टेटमेंट भी सब डाले। एक बार चेक तो करो ना।
मैंने सब चेक कर लिया है संजय। इट्स जस्ट इट्स पॉलिसी। आई कांट हेल्प यू।
Now, people who want to purchase a house generally apply for something called a home loan. Now, the scene that you just saw shows how Sanjay Chaturvedi, who's a bank employee, is applying for a home loan. This home loan, it is being rejected for him. Now, the actress is trying to explain to him why his loan got rejected. Even though he is a bank employee, the loan is rejected due to his financial conditions. Now, rupees 50 lakh loan wouldn't be given to him because he just earns 50,000 rupees per month. Now, similar to this, banks have a checklist. Before granting any loan to anyone, there is a certain checklist that the bank needs to follow, without which bank would not be giving out loans to anyone. Now, this checklist's first criteria is to understand the financial condition of the customer, whether he would be able to pay or not in future. The condition is the age factor. So, the age of the customer, and also this would help in realizing the retirement age of the customer. Now, why is this important? This is important because banks need to figure out whether this person would be able to pay his loan before his retirement age or not. Now, loan tenure can go up to 30 years, so it is capped at 30 years. Another eligibility criteria for a customer could be the credit score and history. Now, this means that if the customer has not been paying his bills, his credit card bills, and his track record, he's not filing his income tax return, then the credit score of that customer is known to be very low. Bank offers loan to such people whose credit score is reasonable and is obviously on the higher side. These customers tend to pay off their loan as well on time. Hence, it is very important for a bank to look at these checklists. Now, banks require some documentation before even proceeding to give the loan. Like he mentions, all my documents are in place. That is, yes, that is true. Your documents should be in place, starting from the complete application form. then passport size photographs, ID proofs, age proof, residential proof, also property documents and income documents. Now these are all very necessary when you're filing for a home loan. Now, this home loan can become easier if there is a co-applicant, which means that someone from your own family who is earning can join in with this loan, and together you guys can repay the loan back. Also, ensuring that there is a steady cash flow being maintained also helps in easing of the loan. It is important for a customer to also improve their own credit score so that it becomes easier for the client. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to check out the links given in the description box below. Thank you.